Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the new ChatGPT agent feature, what it is, how it works, and we are going to be taking a look at its use cases step by step that shows just how powerful it can be in real world tasks. So whether you are a student, a small business owner, or just someone who is looking to automate the boring stuff, this tool has a lot to offer. So without further delay, let's get explore it together. So first of all, we need to understand what is ChatGPT agent. So ChatGPT agent is an upgraded version of multiple past tools all rolled into one, like research, automation, app connections, and even task execution. Right now it is available only to the plus and the pro users. You can find it inside the ChatGPT interface under tools and then agent mode. So when you activate it, you can do more than just chat with it. You can connect it with the tools like Google Drive, Gmail, Notion, Canva, and even with your calendar. You can also turn off the internet search if you want it to only use your personal data. So let's get start with our first use case. So our first use case would be the student research. So imagine you are a college student writing a paper on the effects of social media on teen mental health. You can activate agent mode by clicking on the tool option and then selecting agent. After that, you can give it a prompt. So the prompt can look something like this, like create a detailed 3-page research summary using the current data and studies from the last 5 years, include three key studies and one expert quote. Now the agent will search the web, collect the trusted sources, organize the findings, and even include the citations at the end. If you want to turn that into a full presentation, you can also do that with the help of it. You just have to give one more prompt over here, which is like continue, and turn this into a 7-slide PowerPoint with the key points and visuals. So after doing so, it will going to generate the slides for you, which you can basically download instantly. Now in the example 2, what we can do is, let me just create a new chat and just activate the agent mode. Now you can run a small online store with it. Yes, you heard that right. You can ask the agent to connect your Google Sheets where you can basically track your daily sales. Then you can give a prompt something like this one: summarize my product sales by category for the last 30 days and highlight the best selling and worst selling items. Now if you select the spreadsheet option, you can do that and then press enter. It is going to fetch your data, organize it into a table, and even generate the charts and the insights. Once it do so, you can also ask it something like this: create a weekly performance report that I can send to my supplier, and you can also ask it to format it as PDF. Now the agent gives you a clean report that is ready to be sent. Not extra software is needed here. Now the another use case that I would like to show you is that you can even use it for event planning. Suppose that you are organizing a virtual workshop for 50 people. You can tell the agent something like this: remember to activate the agent mode. You can give it something like plan a 1-day workshop schedule with 3 guest speakers, 2 breaks, and a closing Q&A. Include time zones for India and UK. After that, you need to hit enter over here. It will draft a full agenda with correct time zones. Now you can go further and you can give the prompt as a follow-up, like email this schedule to my contact list in Gmail and generate a follow-up reminder for 2 days before the event. So after giving this prompt, because the agent is connected to your Gmail and calendar, it will actually send the emails and create the reminders, saving you hours of manual work. Now you can also use it for lead generation. If you are in sales and marketing, you will love this one. Now, let's say you want to contact 20 fitness influencers for a new protein drink. You can ask it something like this. Find 20 Instagram influencers in the fitness niche with followers between 10k to 100k. Create a spreadsheet with their username, emails, and their engagement rate. Now it is going to be taking some time and it is going to show you the list, something like this. Now you can write a short further follow up, something like this. Write a short cold email introducing our product with a discount code, and then you can hit enter. It does both in minutes. You can even schedule the follow-ups automatically if it is linked with your email tool. Now there are some of the quick things that you can remember. It is absolutely powerful, but it is not perfect. You may have seen that while giving the responses, it is not giving the output, and always check the output before sharing it to someone else. Some of the tasks may take longer, like deep reports and large data pulls, so it is still need your input. Give clear instructions for best results. But overall, it is like having a virtual assistant that works 24/7, research, organize, automate, all in one tool. So those were just a few of the best ChatGPT agent use cases that you can start using today. Whether it is just writing, researching, planning, or automation, this tool is a huge upgrade. Let me know in the comment section below which use case you try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one with more AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching.